In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert angle brackets on a document using the keyboard on your computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here an angle bracket that I've already inserted, and I want to go ahead and delete and show you how I was able to do it. To insert the angle bracket, you need to go ahead and identify the keys that contains the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket. As you can see, the opening angle bracket is just next to letter M. Here it is. And then the closing one will just follows it. But if I go ahead and tap on this key, it will not insert the angle bracket, but it will insert the comma. Likewise, if I go ahead and tap on the closing one, it will not insert the closing, but it will insert a full stop. So I'll go ahead and delete. To be able to insert this, we have to go ahead and change the function of this key, because this key is set to perform two functions. By default, if you go ahead and tap on it, it will perform the first function, which is inserting comma, and this one full stop. So to change the function of this key, go ahead and just press shift key, either this shift key or the other shift key on your keyboard. And when you press it, you can see it is pressed. Then go ahead and tap on the opening angle bracket like that. And then now, while you are still pressing down the shift key, you can now go ahead and press on the closing angle bracket. So that's how you can insert both opening and closing angle brackets on your document. So if you continue tapping on that key, it will insert just several of them as long as the shift key is pressed down. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.